The washer dryer is located to the left of the sink next to the fridge freezer. To access it, just open up the cupboard and you'll see the machine. If you find that when you push the on off button it doesn't illuminate here, then just look inside the cupboard to the right and then just check that that plug is switched on. It should always be on. To use the dryer and washing machine, you just need to turn this knob and it will select the different pre-programmed options. It can do a straight wash and dry afterwards. For example, the 5 kilo wash is a maximum of 5 kilos of washing and it goes straight into the dry cycle. This page shows what the machine can do and what is recommended and what isn't recommended. So please refer to this if you're not sure what program to use with the clothes you're putting in there. If you wish for things to be dried without a wash, you just go to the program Cotton Dry or Synthetic Dry. Now if we go to a program of, for example, cottons, you can see the temperature has already been selected, but you can change this by pushing the temperature button and you can change it to your desired level. The spin button can change the spin speed depending on the program. For example, on this one you can change it, on some you can't. If you wish to change the drying time, then you push the drying button. You can have extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry, or can just set a time such as 30 minutes, 90 minutes, 150 minutes. And to start the machine, you push the start pause button. Now we use pods for the machine and you can find these located underneath the cupboard, and we just put one of these into the machine and that's all you need. When it's finished, you just open up the door and remove your washing. If you wish to add fabric softener, then pull open the drawer and you put it into the right side here.